this system right here is super cool because it's like an extension of the Wrap You Easy, which is a great mirror tool, by the way. But this has, you can get different attachments for it. You can get, it's got a little mount right here. You can put the attachments in it. You can keep them here for wrapping different size things. Just pops in and locks right there, so it won't come out, it won't move. Put the different sizes here. Got a real big one. You could even do helmets, and also on helmets they have a helmet attachment right here where you can just actually put the helmet over this and lock it down right here and work on a helmet. And it's real, everything is real rigid. You've got Velcro, you've got metal. They've got a monitor mount. You can mount your monitor for your laptop or your computer. They even have a computer base. You can stick it on the bottom and keep it up off the floor. There's, again, just endless attachments. There's a LED light right here. You can put it over your work area where you're working, and it's fully adjustable. You can just side to side, up and down, tilt the angle. You can put your IR heater right in line with what you're working on, heat up a part or heat up the vinyl, real nice and even. And this fully adjustable, you can set it anywhere you want on it to where you're just above where you're working. It makes it real handy for doing handles and the Wrap You Ease like this. So the way these work, I mean, a lot of people do it in the windows of cars, or a lot of times you just don't have that option, or you have multiple people working. You got people working on the car, and you got people working to the side. Well, you can pull all the handles off, put them in some of these organizing containers like this, and again, you can have all these you want. You can Velcro them, you can have the handle, you can be working on it and sit it here. The way this works is, it's just like having multiple hands to hold the vinyl. So you can do it like this, just like typically you would do this like in the window of a car, like I said. That's great, it works, and it's good for the solo installer, but it's not necessarily good when you've got a team of people working on cars, because you can have somebody sit over here against the wall, out of the way, with this system that doesn't take up a lot of space. You heat the vinyl up just like this, and then just like you would do in any in the window, you just want to go in and just hook the vinyl, pre-stretch across, and then get to this end and release, and then lock it down. And it makes a nice pre-stretch on the handle, and then you can just heat it like normally and shrink back down the sides. So that's how the Wrap You Ease works. That's the general. A lot of people think you're getting overstretched on this, but I'll tell you right now, you're not overstretching the vinyl. You've got to know how to use it. The Wrap You Ease system is really a time saver. For mirrors, you can bring your mirror caps over here and use one of the bigger ones, but you just catch it, bring it in, release the pressure, and then it's stretched in the center on the apex of the curve just like it's supposed to be. Then you come back and shrink back down the sides. So you're wrapping the correct way. You're not going to get failed handles and failed hinges and failed mirrors because you're doing it correctly. We're talking about the whole system. The whole system is just a great way to organize your shop, keep it all nice and neat. I love it. I'm going to have one in my shop.